This episode was made possible in part by IKEA and Annie's Creative Girls Club.
Splash-Atastic Beach Day.
Splash-Tastic Beach Day.
That must be a nickname.
Welcome to the beach. There's so much to explore and make. Let's go. Where should we go first?
First, we wanted to play sand.
Sandcastle Creator. Let's make sandcastles. Tap the bucket to choose a shape. Tap to choose a shape, rag, or tap and hold to fill up your bucket. Tap to change your sand color.
I'm still working hard, you know.
Tap the check mark when you're done.
I'm done.
Beautiful! Now you can drag your sandcastle shape to the beach or make more shapes. Beach test! I love it! Keep decorating!
Thought maybe more will happen.
You can unlock more decorations in the treasure hunt game. How big will you make your sandcastle? Fill the bucket with colorific sand.
Still must have been over. Maybe it should be overdue at some point. Forevermore.
Great sandcastle!
Oh, it doesn't want to go up.
Make a magical sandcastle colors.
I understand.
Beach-tastic!
I know this is Beach-tastic.
Great sandcastle!
Let's head back.
Make amazing sandcastle! We can make more sandcastles or play something else now.
It's a fun game today. It's called
Denali Trading Post. Hey everyone, it's me and Molly. Welcome to the Denali Trading Post. This is a busy store, and Mina is here with a shopping list. You're going fishing? We have lots of fishing gear. Let's see what's on your list. Fishing lures. Tap the arrow to find it. Let's find the fishing gear. When you find it, tap or drag it into the basket.
Good job, Molly. You know what to do.
Let's check the shopping list again. We still need fishing lures. Tap the arrow to try again.
God.
Let's find the fishing lures. Woohoo! We found it. Thanks for stopping by, Nina. Let's see who's next. Hi, Vera. Let's see what's on your list. A backpack and bug spray. Tap the arrow to find each thing.
Okay, I will.
Let's find the camping gear.
The camping gear must be here.
A tackle box. A backpack. I don't think that was on the shopping list. Let's check the list again. Let's find the camping gear. Bug spray. Yeah, we found everything. Have a great day, Vera. Someone else is here with a shopping list. Hello, Atsuk. Let's see what's on your list. Floss and shampoo. Tap the arrow to find each thing.
But how can we find each thing today?
Let's find what they wanted.
I think this may be somewhere.
Put something into the first aid kit.
Yep. Is that a flashlight?
We don't need those. Let's check the list again. Let's find what it has.
Molly, don't say yay. If I catch you...
Shampoo. We did it. Thanks for stopping by, Atsuk. Let's put these things away. Drag each one to its empty spot. Now you put the rest away. Awesome. We put everything where it needs to go.
Bye-bye, Molly of Denali.
Let's take a break and play with Suki. Tap on her ball to throw it. Tap on her stick to play tug of war.
This might be fun. But it really looks like they like it. I'm pretty sure this is a good day for Molly's trading post that can open and buy stores.
Tap the arrow to help some more people.
Don't you see, Arthur? It's Wizard Academy Day.
Wizard Academy. Wow. Big Blister's Wizard Academy. I can't believe I'm finally here. Tap the left or right arrow button to walk around. Let's get that point. The more
Arthur, stop!
outfits we unlock.
You're not talking too much. Now, Arthur, if I catch you talking again, you're gonna be in serious trouble.
Let's stand under that point. Then tap the jump button to jump and collect it. Hold the button down longer to jump higher. Tap the jump button and the right arrow button at the same time to jump up to the right. Jump out through the platform. Whoa! A magical spell page. Make sure to collect it. Got it. Collect 2 more to learn a new spell. Jump over the firelight. It's hot. We just learned a more spell. Tap on a table to slide it left or right. Tap on a bookcase to raise it or lower it.
I can raise it by upward or downward. But how can I move it up? Sorry, Arthur. You chose the wrong thing.
Wow! Big Blister's Wizard Academy. I can't believe I'm finally here. Tap the left or right arrow button to walk around. Let's get that point. The more coins we collect, the more outfits we unlock.
Arthur's Park. Let's play the game carefully about the game.
Arthur's Park. This empty lot is messy now, but I can't imagine it with... I'm going to write a speech asking for our friends' support. In the meantime, let's try to collect some donations, and maybe even help some people along the way. Tap the popper to roll the die.
I wonder what the die will roll into.
2. A good day earns us a star. The more stars we collect now, the more things we can buy for the park later. I found some quiet time to write. That'll make my speech better.
Now I got number 2. Let's roll the dice again.
2.
2
A
again.
donation. We can use it to decorate the park later. Thanks. A statue.
That is a statue that where they were. Let's roll the dice again.
Helping others earns us a star. I helped a friend with a problem. It feels good to help others. 2.
It's still 2.
A bad day removes one of our stars. Pal ate my speech. That
One again.
A flower. Three.
You're not very nice, Arthur. You give it approval.
We can't fix the park on our own. Help me give my speech to convince people to work with us on our project. Type the best words to finish these sentences. Okay? Let's go. Hi, my name is Arthur, and I'm here to talk about making a park. Kids love to climb, so we will buy some climbers. We need shade, so we will plant curly slides, trees, swing sets.
Trees.
People like to sit, so we will add benches, bushes, recycling bins.
Benches.
So in conclusion, I ask all of you, please volunteer your time and your money. Thanks.
Ah!
Help me clean up. Drag everything to the recycling bin.
That's a loud whistle-like approval.
We did it! It looks great! Now on to the bake sale. I need to get ready for the bake sale we're having to earn money for new items for the park.
This game really looks terrible. Dr. Zoom's Porter Quest.
Dr. Zoom's Portal Quest. Welcome to the game. Today, we're going to... What do you mean Dr. Zoom is playing hide and seek in the secret museum?
No!
That happened. Ugh. Does that mean we're gonna have to split up? Oy vey. Pick the character you want to play.
Yadina.
Nadina, press the red button to start. Ready or not, here we come. Herbie says this is the way to Dr. Zoom. Press the button or use your keyboard to move around. Press the up button to jump or use the space bar.
Let's try. Jump up. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep moving.
Jumping to go even higher.
You look like Annie.
Portal party.
And all of a sudden, there should be a way.
We're gonna find you, Dr. Zoom. Woohoo!
Oh no!
You collected one character card. Keep playing to collect them all. Please different characters to collect all the cards.
Oh no! She will be saying yay!
Keep looking for Dr. Zoom. Wow! I wonder who this is. Let's find out.
Okay.
Ready or not, here we come. Herbie says Dr. Zoom is this way. Filing cabinets, books about rules and laws. Is Dr. Zoom behind all this?
Seem like they really don't know. Hurry, we gotta jump. Yet.
Uh-oh.
You deserve it, Yadina, for talking too much. Do you want to go here? Oh, we missed. Yep. Ta-ta. Sorry, you deserve it. Nope. Let's keep jumping. It's fair. There, the magic portal.
Burley says this is the United States Supreme Court in 1973. This must be where unfair laws are changed.
Oh, you skipped. Huh?
Luna's Seek and Find.
This must have been a delivery.
Hi, friend. Let's go help my friends all over the world. How about Juneau, Alaska in the United States first.
Let's try.
Hi, friend. We're in Juneau, Alaska, where there are so many wild animals to see. My friend Sky needs our help taking animal photos for her picture board. Let's go into the wild and take some pictures. Select here to go. Ooh, I can't wait to take some photos.
Let's see what animal are we gonna do.
Isn't Juneau, Alaska a beautiful place? When you find a wild animal on our list, select it to take a picture. Beaver. Great. Beavers and porcupines are the 2 largest rodents in Alaska.
A bear!
Woohoo! Black bears fish for salmon in streams.
There it is.
Red-breasted sapsucker is a woodpecker that drills holes in trees.
There you are.
Whoa! Woohoo! We took all the pictures Sky needed. Now let's put them on our picture board.
That's 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Wow! I really love these. Ooh! Should we take more wild animal photos in Juneau?
No,
In another city.
we don't want to do seek and find anymore. Let's do another one, shall we?
Pick a city on the map to go to.
Paris.
Select here to go. Hi, friend. We're in Paris, France, with endless food possibilities. Chef Renee needs our help finding ingredients to make a special French dish. Let's go to the Paris market and find some ingredients.
Let's go.
Here. Ooh, I wonder what wild animals we'll find. Ooh, the Paris market. Just look at all the shops and foods we can try. Tomato. Woohoo! Cheese. Wow! Sourdough bread. Nice find. In France, a bread shop is called boulangerie. Butter.
Yep.
Way to go! Great job! We found everything on Chef Renee's list. Now, let's put the ingredients on the counter to see what Chef Renee is going to make. Select here to go.